Hi, my name is Carrie and it is Brow Makeover Month. I am going to show you the crowning jewel brow product from Brow Bar by Reema. This is the Bombshell Brow Kit. It truly is the golden goddess of all brow kits, and it includes everything you need to transform your brows. You have every product that you need in this lightweight, compact kit, so you can take it with you on the go, or you can keep it at home for all of your brow needs. Now that we are wearing masks all the time, it is time to highlight our brows and learn how to do them right, so I hope you guys go along on this transformation with me and try out the Bombshell Brow Kit. When you open your Bombshell Brow Kit, you are going to see 2 brow powders, and these are used to fill in the brows. I have a lighter shade and a darker shade, so you can work with them in a couple different ways. You can do a more natural brow in the daytime with the lighter powder, and then you can transition into a nighttime or evening look with the dark brown shade. Or I like to do a combination and do lighter powder in the center of the brow and then make it a little bit darker as it fades to the tail end of the brow. So there's a lot of things you can do with the powder that comes in the kit. Next we have the brow lift. This brow lift is amazing. It acts as a concealer or a highlight for your brow, and you go ahead and use the angled brush to sculpt underneath the brow, and this is going to clean up any of the powder or the brow pencil and really make a crisp line under your brow. Then you top that off with the gorgeous shimmery highlight, and this is a global shade, so this highlight can be used on all skin tones. Next, you have everything you need with this brow pencil. You get tweezers to pick up any stray hairs. And lastly, you have this duo-ended brush with an angled brush on one side and a spoolie on the other. First, I will be taking the golden tweezers and getting rid of some stray hairs that I have here. Now, it's important to be very careful because these are sharp tweezers and you don't want to pinch your skin at all. So just use a little caution when using these. You want to tweeze the hairs that are further away from your brow and they are kind of straggling out there. Leave the actual shaping up to the professionals. Once we've eliminated any stray hairs, we are going to take the spoolie end of the dual brush and we're going to brush the brow hairs from the brow bone up toward the forehead. And this is a very quick step, and this will get you ready to start filling in your brows. For the first part filling in the brows, we are using the brow pencil, and this is going to outline the shape that we want. We're going to start by tracing the bottom of the brow and then going along the top of the brow. And this is going to give you your shape. After outlining this brow, you can see how much of a difference it makes to have that shape on my face. For the next step, we're going to be using the brow powders to fill in the brow with light feathery strokes. I'm going to use a combination of the medium shade and the darker shade that are in here. But if you're going for a lighter brow, you can use the lighter shade, or if you're transitioning into nighttime, you can use the darker shade. I'm using light angled brush strokes. The direction that you move your brush will be in the same direction that your brow hairs are going. These hairs are growing upward, so you'll angle your brush and have them move upward. Here they start to curve out toward the side of your face, so you'll begin to move your brush outward. And then you start to go in a downward motion at the tail end of the brow. Here's what our brows look like once they have the brow pencil and the powder. We still need to clean them up a little bit, which is what the brow lift is for. But before doing that, I like to take the spoolie again and just brush, and this will kind of blend some of the powder together and even it out a little bit. Before moving on to the brow lift, we're gonna clean off this end of the brush. You can just wipe it into a makeup pad or into a paper towel. We are applying the brow lift to create a clean and smooth line under your brow powder and your brow pencil. After drawing a smooth line under your brows, you are going to take the brush and blend it downward into your skin. Then if you need to blend it any further, you can just use your finger to blend it in. Our final step, and it is so gorgeous, is using the highlight to go on top of that brow lift and give a little extra pop under the brows. For me, the Bombshell Brow Kit literally gives me a transformation with my brows. It's practically like I don't have any eyebrows before and after. They are just gorgeous, sculpted, and they fit my face beautifully. I hope you join me on Brow Makeover Month and get beautiful bombshell brows. I'm going to finish this brow and share the final results of my transformation. I hope you have a beautiful day.